Good day everyone. Today I will discuss about the emission charge system and fines and penalties. Charge system. So ang charge system is naa siya mga parts which is the mobile sources, the point sources, and the other areas. So first is ato ang i-discuss is the mobile sources. Vehicles, those are motorcycles, trucks, or uban nga mga transportations which is makakause siya og air pollution sa ato ang atmosphere. And also, ang ato ang mga transportation vehicles is nag-release siya og carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, and hydrocarbon nga gikan sa fuel combustion. So, or kanamo na siya ang mga aso sa tambutso, or we call that as vehicle emission. And this is not good kasi it's kanang maka-damage or maka-harm sa ato ang ozone layer and also atong human health. Next is the fuel. So, ang fuel is nag-release also og sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, which is na emission from fuel storage, transfer, and combustion. So, next is the point sources. So, sa point sources is naa ang industries. So, there's industries, those are mga factories which is ang ihang aso is gikan sa factories is maka-affect sa ato ang atmosphere. Next is the other areas. So first is the smoking. So isa jud ni siya nga maka-cause og air pollution, not just in our environment but also in human health. So, by indoor or outdoor pa na siya. So, next is the burning of garbage and dust from construction. So, mara siya ang pagsunog sa mga waste nga gikan sa construction site. And last is the unpaved grounds. So, dili lang ang pollution or air pollution is came from vehicles, factories, but naapay other sources. So, first is the ozone-depleting substances. Consistent with the terms and conditions of the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer, Philippines is a signatory. The department shall phase out ozone-depleting substances. So, ang kini siya ozone depleting substances is isa siya ka chemical sa chloro or CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons nga makita sa air conditioner, refrigerator, and aerosol sprays. So this could be damage sa atong ozone layer. That's why if kabalutan sa mga pwede makakos o pagbusod sa atong ozone layer, nanatay knowledge what are the things that dapat or para ma-minimize ang paggamit sa atong mga technologies. So, second is the greenhouse gases. So, Pag-asa shall regularly monitor meteorological factors affecting environmental conditions, including ozone depletion and greenhouse gases, and coordinate with the department in order to effectively guide air pollution monitoring and standard setting activities. So, isa po din sa makakos why ang atong environment karon is init na jud kaayo compare sa una. It's because some of the technologies nga atong ginagamit nowadays and also sa pag-trap sa heat in the atmosphere nga na makakos og global warming and climate change. So kung naay climate change, isa na po sa maging problem sa mga tao and also sa atong farmers. Cost of floods, pagbaha, droughts, tag-init, ug uban pa. Then third is persistent organic pollutants. The department shall develop short-term and long-term national government programs on the reductions and eliminations of POP such as dioxins and furans. So, ang persistent organic pollutants is mga toxic chemicals such as dioxins and furans nga present siya if magsunog og mga waste materials. So, sa factories or sa mga old pesticides nga na. So, magstay daw ang chemicals within the environment for the long time and makadaot siya sa mga tao, animals, and also sa plants. Then last is the radioactive emissions. So all project which will involve the use of atomic and or nuclear energy shall be regulated in the interest of public health and welfare by the PNRI. So this happens involving the nuclear energy or radiation. So kung ang mga butang na involve ang radioactive material, pollute siya sa atong land and water. This is the discussion where we explain how the air pollution is naka-affect siya sa atong environment, but not just in the environment but also in our human health. 'Di ba? It's because kung naatay mga, like for example sa smoking, isa yun sa mga problema sa mga tao kay ang mga tao not just they are health conscious sa ilahang mga sarili, but then dili nila ginahunahon na with what will happen in our environment kung padayon sila sa pag-smoke. But also, kung sa inyong pamilya is na dyan mag-smoke, it's really affect the whole family. Kay ang smoke is very known siya for affecting human health. So, di jud siya maayo. Dako siya og kanang epekto sa lawas sa tao. And nakakause siya og death.